We're going the Fair Logistics Protocol built on Solana, creating an open source infra to power an ethical and efficient logistics system for the Web3 era. We identified a double crisis. On one side, logistics are inefficient and exploitative, unfair contracts, low pay, and massive waste of time and fuel. On the other, e commerce is extractive and monopolistic. Platforms normally charge from 15 to over 30% commissions, control the rules, and misuse user data without transparency or real ownership. Market opportunity is a 200 billion global last mile delivery market defined by inefficiency and high operating costs. Only in Latin America, the e-commerce logistic market already exceeds 10 billion, and capturing only 0.5% would represent 50 million in annual revenue by year 3. Our solution is fair and efficient logistics, built on a decentralized hub and spoke model, a yield bearing escrow, and a G token rewards that share value across every participant in the equation. And this works that when a buyer makes a purchase, funds are locked in the escrow. While the delivery is in process, the funds are staked and each delivery milestone is recorded through a QR code on the blockchain. Once the buyer confirms the receipt, the payment is released, and both sides receive G token rewards for completing the cycle. Why Solana? Because this is Opos, over 100,000 TPS, near zero fees, and DeFi composability that allows us to turn every transaction into a yield generating asset. Our business model is simple and transparent with two complementary revenue streams. First, logistics as a service, a cost plus system that applies 30% markup on each driver gross cost, creating a scalable and high margin business line. Second, the marketplace that only takes 3% commission per transaction, powered by the on chain escrow that also generates protocol revenue. Our go to market is divided by three steps. Number one, run an initial pilot connecting Web3 merchants and crypto native users to validate the full purchase, delivery, and reward cycle. Two, offer a 0% marketplace commission for the first 1,000 sellers using G token airdrops as our acquisition and loyalty strategy. And third, scale through a referral based reward system that drives organic and sustainable growth, supported by strong marketing campaigns. The development plan. With support, we'll finalize our light paper, develop the yield bearing escrow, and run tests on DevNet. Submit our smart contracts for a full security audit and launch the protocol publicly with open source developer documentation. By building Going, we open the door to a new wave of fair commerce applications on Solana, where everyone in the supply chain earns their fair share of value. The future is ongoing, and the future is definitely on chain.